guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a series going on for you. So as you can see the title, I have the Navratri 7 days 7 looks series going on, and this is the day 1. And in this I will be creating different looks for the next 7 days, and the colors of these looks will be totally gonna different. So because not all the people gonna wear only one color, you all will be wearing any different colors, so I thought that why should I should not create these looks in different colors. So if you want to know, and if you want to know how I get this look and what products I use, then please continue watching. So first things first, I have nothing on my face, so I'm gonna start with primer, and for that I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer first, and the second that I'm gonna be taking would be the serum for hydration. So for that I'm taking the Wet n Wild serum. I'm just gonna drop it all over my face and start spreading it. Now I'm gonna do my brows, and for that I'm doing soap brows today. I'm just taking a clear soap with a clean mascara wand, and I will start brushing my brows through it, and I will make sure that my brows are sticking towards the skin so that it stay on place, and I will be start filling it with a brow powder. So I'm taking this eyeshadow palette and taking that brown color and start filling up my brows. I'm loving these soap brows lately because it just worked for me so well, and I like it. It just suits on me. I'm just gonna quickly fill it up. Now for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. So guys, all the products that I'm using in this video, don't worry, this will be linked down in the description box with their respective links, so you can check them out alternatively. And I'm just gonna start blending it with a damp sponge. So I hope you guys are also planning some different looks for Navratri, because I am really excited this season, because I took like a challenge to upload 7 videos 7 days every single day. For the next 7 days I will be uploading, and for the today's video the color that I am opting is red. As you can see, the theme of my look. And for concealer I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just gonna start it concealing the usual areas around my eyes, on the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes, because I'm not gonna drag it to cover the whole under eye because it makes your eyes look cakey. So this is the process, this is the technique that you should apply, and it really works. So I'm just gonna use it on the inner and the outer corners of my eyes, on the usual areas like my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the around my mouth, and on my chin, and also on the hollows of my cheek where I have some kind of dark spots, just to cover them out and make my skin look a little bit even, and start blending it up. So for the eyes I'm gonna go a little bit later. I will let the concealer sit for a while around my eyes to get a little good amount of coverage, and I have picked this trick from the internet and it works really well, that you have to let your makeup sit for a while and then start blending, so that it just sits and gives you a good amount of coverage that you want. And if you guys do want to recreate my look or wanna opt my look, and if you have opted it, then don't forget to tag me. I will leaving my Instagram handle and my social media handles into the description box, so don't forget to check them out. Now I'm just gonna take a lighter amount of concealer, and I'm going with the brighter shade because I really want a little bright under eyes. So I'm using the Kryolan Supra palette, and the shade I'm using is FS29 over here. It is a bit lighter because I want a little bit of brightness underneath my eyes and around my face. I'm just loving these tricks these days I was not a big fan of brightening under eyes because I used to think that it will make my skin look gray or something, but everything has a technique to opt. So if you're thinking that this trick will not suit you or that trick will not suit you, it's probably the technique that you are not applying. So make sure that you are going for it and it will definitely gonna suit you. Now for setting up this, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm just gonna dab it with the help of my sponge underneath my eyes, and whatever is left on my sponge, I'm just gonna dab it all over my face to set my foundation as well. And also for eyelid, I'm just taking a brush and just going very lightly. Now for eyeshadow, I'm taking my Morphe palette and taking this brown shade and start just putting it roughly all over my lid. And these days I've realized that you guys are loving more casual and more easy looks, which are lighter way, which are easier to pull off because it's not easy for everyone to do a cut crease or a halo. So that's why I opted for these simple looks, which is easy to create and yet glamorous. So I'm just gonna do the same with both the eyes. I'm just gonna pack on the color to whole of my eyelid very roughly. You don't have to be very precise. And now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Topaz Sessions palette and taking that golden shade over there. I'm just gonna pack it with my fingertip, the eyes, and it will make easier for me to pack the color. As you can see that it gives a nice illusion of bright eyes or opened lid, which I really love. Now for liner, I'm taking the Maybelline Hypercurl liner and I'm just gonna make the very difficult wing that I'm trying to. Yes, and luckily I'm succeeded in it. I don't know how, but I am. And now I'm just gonna dust it off the excess powder lying underneath my eyes. And as you can see, there is instant brightness underneath my eyes. And I'm just gonna dust off the rest of the powder as well. It's time for some kajal. I'm taking the kajal of MAC. I'm just gonna tightline my waterline with it. I'm also gonna create a little bit of on the lash line, my lash band, so that I want a little outer and a more bigger eye. And now I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and start smudging my kajal underneath because I want a little bit of smudgy kajal look as well, and it does give an illusion of a little bigger eyes and more of a Bengali look that I'm loving to opt these days. So yes, now for contour, I'm taking the Color Bar contour and highlighter palette and I'm just gonna start contouring. And I just got a little overboard with my contouring, which I'm gonna fix it later because this highlighter is difficult to work with. Even it just somehow manipulates even me, and as you can see that dark patchy spot on my left cheek. I'm just gonna do it on the jawline and on the extra necessary areas that I found that need to be contoured. For bronzer, I'm taking the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, which is broken right now. It is in a really bad condition, and I'm just gonna go on over my contour just to soften it up a little bit. Also on my jawlines and on my foreheads as well, on my temples, and being crazy. So for now, blush, I'm taking the same palette, my Morphe one, and I'm just taking that orangey shade a little and just gonna pack the color off. And now for highlighter, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Highlighter Face Coat Palette, and I'm taking that rose gold shade because the shade that I use is only the peach one or the rose gold. I don't use the golden and the silver, very less. Silver I might use to highlight my brow bones, but the goldens I've never touched the golden yet. I'm just gonna go a little bit over the board because I love this highlighter, the shade of it, also over my lips. And now for mascara, I'm taking the Kiko Milano Lengthening Mascara. I've already applied my lipstick and my bindi. For lipstick, I've used the Nykaa lip palette in the shade Bold and Beautiful. Will be linked down below in the description box. And I'm gonna finish up the look with some setting spray. Guys, this is the final look that I came up with. So guys, if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. And do let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about this look, and are you gonna wear this look or not. Till then, bye bye, take care.